Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to change the color of a picture on Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to change color of a picture. Firstly, we insert a picture in this document. We go to the insert menu and click the picture option, and we select a picture from our file. Now I select this picture and insert it. Now we can see here we insert a picture. Now we want to change the color of this picture. Firstly, click this picture and go to the format menu. Then we can see here many options. We find and click the color option. Here this color option, and we click the drop down menu and we choose any color of this color panel. Now I select this color. Now we can see we change the color of a picture very easily. We use some another effect like picture effect, picture style, or picture border, or layout, etc. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.